Hello, in this video tutorial I will explain how to calculate the mass from a given mole and how to calculate mole from a given mass. So let's take the first example. Calculate the moles in 52 grams of carbon dioxide. The formula that we use in order to convert from mass to mole and mole to mass is given as mole equals mass over molar mass. Now you need to know that the molar mass, we always find it in the periodic table. And the mass is either given, we find mole, or the mole is given and we find mass. So here, 52 grams, this is a mass given. So the 52 goes in here and we need to calculate the moles. So the molar mass of carbon dioxide, we need to find it in the periodic table. So the molar mass is molar mass of carbon plus molar mass of oxygen twice, because in this formula we have 2CO. Now in the periodic table, the molar mass of carbon is 12 and the molar mass of oxygen is 2 by 16, and that is equal to 44 grams per mole. So here's the molar mass of CO2. So this 44 gram per mole, we will substitute it here. And to find the mole, we divide 52 by 44 and the answer is 1.18. So the moles, the calculated mole in 52 grams is 1.18. That's the answer. Now, let's say we need to calculate the mass and we have the number of moles. So in this formula, moles equal mass over molar mass. Again, molar mass, you get it from the periodic table. So 1.2 is the moles, 1.2. And we need to find the mass. Now the molar mass of methane, we find it in the periodic table. It is equal to the molar mass of carbon plus 4 times the molar mass of hydrogen atoms. And that is 12 plus 4 multiplied by 1. The answer is 16 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass of methane. So coming back to this formula, 1.2 moles and 16 the molar mass. So the final answer would be the mass equal to 1.2 multiplied by 16, and that is 19.2 grams.